Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tuna rice balls. First, gather your ingredients like cooked rice, canned tuna, and nori seaweed. Ensure your rice is short grain and perfectly cooked for the best texture. Next, prepare your tuna filling by draining it well and mixing with your favorite seasonings. Finally, we'll shape these into convenient, bite-sized treats. Let's get into the details of preparation. Cook your short grain rice until it's perfectly fluffy, then gently fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a little salt while it's still warm. For the tuna, make sure to drain it very well. Then mix it with about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and a splash of soy sauce for a rich, savory flavor. Now for the fun part, shaping. Lightly moisten your hands with water to keep the rice from sticking. Take about 1/4 cup of seasoned rice and flatten it in your palm. Place a generous spoonful of your tuna mixture in the center. Then, add a bit more rice on top and gently compress and shape it into a ball or triangle. To finish, you can wrap your rice balls with strips of nori seaweed for an authentic touch and easier handling. A sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds adds a lovely nutty flavor and a bit of crunch. These are perfect for a quick snack, lunch, or even a picnic. Enjoy them fresh, or store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 1 day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.